Welcome to the EMF module. In this day and age, we're surrounded by all sorts of gadgets and devices that make our lives a whole lot easier. But did you know that these devices, like our trusty cell phones, laptops, and Wi-Fi routers, are actually emitting invisible waves of energy called EMFs? Now don't worry, we're not here to scare you. EMFs are a normal part of modern life and essential for keeping us all connected. However, more and more research is starting to suggest that being exposed to EMFs for long periods might not be the best thing for our health. And that's why we put together this awesome module to help you understand EMFs better and show you some simple ways to reduce your exposure. Before we delve deeper, let's clarify the difference between natural and non-natural EMFs. Natural EMFs are those that come from the earth and the sun, like the Earth's magnetic field or sunlight. On the other hand, non-natural EMFs, also known as artificial EMFs, originate from human-made sources such as electrical appliances, mobile phones, and Wi-Fi routers. While natural EMFs are considered essential for life on Earth, there is growing concern about the potential health risks associated with prolonged exposure to non-natural EMFs. Therefore, this module will focus on these artificial EMFs, discussing their potential impacts on health and ways that we can minimize our exposure to them. In this module, we'll go over the different kinds of non-natural EMFs and then focus on giving you practical things that you can do to reduce your exposure in your home. We understand that this might be a little overwhelming, but we've got your back. We've broken down this module into easily digestible sections, allowing you to tackle one topic at a time and at your own pace. And we are always here to help with any questions that you might have along the way. We'll also share a curated list of recommended products that can help you reduce your EMF exposure and make things as simple and straightforward as possible. In the next lesson, we'll go over in some more detail about what we'll be covering throughout this module.